Hey guys, when working in my shop, the noise level in here can vary widely from machine to machine depending on the conditions of use as well as the machine that I'm using. Protecting your hearing is super important, and so is listening to good music or a good podcast for that matter. 1 in 10 Americans have suffered hearing loss, and it affects his or her ability to understand normal speech. I know it's affected me over my career. Loss of hearing is commonly caused by excessive exposure to noise. Job site noise, machine noise. When you experience noise that's too loud, it starts to kill the inner ear nerve endings. Long-term exposure to loud noise like that, it's going to destroy these nerve endings, and the more that it happens, or the more exposure that we have, the greater your loss of hearing, the more nerve endings that will die. And unfortunately, there is no way to restore life to dead nerve endings. The damage is permanent. The first and best protection against hearing damage is to wear hearing protection. It's taken me a long time to get here, guys. I was stubborn for many years. We recently took a look at ISOtunes, the link is the model, Bluetooth earmuffs. These Bluetooth earmuffs are noise headphones, and they let you stream audio wirelessly while working. First impressions are tough to beat. My first impression, I immediately noticed how soft and comfortable the foam ear cushions were. Really comfortable. The earmuffs fit really tight, a real tight seal, and obviously that's part of that whole noise reduction feature. The headband is ventilated, so it's cooler, and there's Bluetooth functionality for Siri and Google Voice compatible. The link passively cancels noise, and that achieves an ANSI certified 24 decibels noise reduction. That's pretty good. ISOtunes uses what they call SafeMax Technology, and that's going to limit your listening volume to 85 decibels. And that's to meet OSHA guidelines. I will say this is probably the biggest complaint of many users. They come back and complain about it. They want their music louder. Well, that beats the purpose-built feature of noise reduction below 85 decibels is what we need to protect our hearing. Now, regarding Bluetooth, they opted for a 4.2 wireless connectivity. One nice feature, there's a built-in microphone for taking phone calls. All of the navigation controls are on the right side, and it allows you to use keep your phone in your pocket and take phone calls, skip music tracks, just the volume of the music. The headphones run off of either batteries or an included lithium-ion battery that is touted to give you about 14 hours of runtime. ISOtunes says that if you swap that battery out and you throw in 3 AAA batteries, you can move that up to 28 hours of runtime. It's pretty good. As far as sound quality goes, Bluetooth works great. Sound was crisp and clear.
I've been a rolling stone all my
They say a long way.
Taking phone calls was easy and resulted in excellent reception and pretty good quality. It's not my Bose headphones, but they work good. I took several phone calls from the headset, picked up the call well, blocked out enough background noise in the shop, not 100%, but effective enough that I was able to have a conversation without walking out of the shop. These headphones cost around 80 bucks. They do a great job. They isolate the noise. They provide you long-term hearing protections that meet OSHA level safety. My overall impression, I feel that ISOtunes built a solid performing product here and didn't compromise in quality. These are nice headphones. Well guys, look, that's it. It's a short video. Please, if you liked it, give us a thumbs up, comment. Please consider subscribing. Just click that notification bell right there to subscribe. And oh yeah, please follow Toolbox Buzz and Concord Carpenter on Instagram. That's it, and we'll see you all next time. Take care.